In this video, we will learn how to create beautiful image of your code snippets to share with anyone. You can come to carbon.now.sh website, link in the description. First, let's get rid of the default code. You have the option to change themes. I will type console.log hello and then choose the language, which is JavaScript. You can also change the background. You can use any color of your choice or choose an image. There are also some presets you can choose from. Let's customize the look of the window. You can choose to have rounded corners or pointy ones or just even this one. You can also adjust the padding, or in other words spacing between the border of the picture and the code editor window. You can adjust the vertical as well as horizontal padding. You can also add a drop shadow and adjust its Y offset and the blur radius. You can also auto adjust the width so it scales with respect to your text, or just adjust the width manually. You can also enable and disable carbon watermarks. You can choose the font of your choice, adjust the size, line height, whether to show line numbers or not. Set the first line number and also show hidden characters or not, like the new line or space character. You can import or export the config file. You get a JSON file which you can import later and get all the settings you have edited. You can also prettify the code to make it look much nicer. Now typically you won't just type the code here. You can copy the code from your code editor and paste it here. And now it's time to download the picture and share it to the world. You can come to the export tab and choose the size. I choose 4x size for better quality, but if you want to reduce the file size, then you can reduce the quality. You can rename the file. There is also option to choose if you want it as SVG or PNG, and click download and you are done.